Hey YouTube, here I am again with an interesting piece. We're going to unbox a Swatch diver today, a 200-meter resistant diver from 2013, which was part of the Scuba Libre edition. This particular model, the suum400, the deep turtle, normally comes on a NATO strap, a black and green NATO strap. The previous owner obviously moved it to the silicone rubber strap, a black one. So this is not the original configuration. The case, which measures 44 millimeters across, is made of plastic and is powered by a quartz movement. The watch is equipped with a scratch-resistant mineral crystal, but the crown is not a screw-down crown, so it is uncertain how they achieve the 20 bar water resistance in this case. Dive timekeeping is done with a unidirectional 60-click plastic bezel. At the 3 o'clock position, we have a date complication. Due to the construction material of this watch, it is extremely light, and even though it's not specified, I would put it somewhere around 70-75 grams. In spite of the low-cost construction, this watch does have some decent lume, which is not very long-lasting, but it basically ticks the boxes required for a basic dive watch. Thanks for watching and listening.